Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to share a review with you all, and the product that I'm going to show today is the Indus Valley Bio-Organic Rejuvenating Upton Face Pack. So this is a combo DIY kit. Basically it consists of 3 items, one of which is the sandalwood face pack powder. The second item we have here is the 100% pure and organic essential oil. And the third item that we have in this kit is the facial toner fresh rose water. So with this one combo pack, you can use it up to 20 times and its MRP is just rupees 249. I think it is very affordable, like 20 applications in just rupees 249. It's simply amazing. Another amazing part about this Indus Valley DIY kit is that there are 26 variants available. So, and not only for skincare but also for hair care. Along with this, these have the purest organic materials. There are multiple remedy options. It is definitely value for money, like I said, and there is zero wastage quantity, which is the best part. So now I'm going to show you how to make this kit. Actually, I'm going to learn it from this box itself because it consists of a recipe book. In this recipe book, there are recipes for all the 26 kits that are available by Indus Valley. So I have the Rejuvenating Upton Face Pack. So I look into the index and go to that page. So yes, here it is. Just like this, for every kit you can have a recipe in this book, and I think it is super easy because you are getting so much of quantity, purest of materials, affordable price and a ready-made recipe. For this kit there are 2 recipes that are given, so I am going to read out both to you, like I'll tell you it in brief and then show you how it's done. The first recipe is a face pack, so that's what I'll demonstrate. The second recipe is very interesting. So it says that you can use 2 tablespoons of this fresh rose water here, and you can add 2 drops of rosemary oil. Then you have to mix it well and add it to a spray bottle. This can be used for skin allergies and small cuts, like you can spray it above your small cuts and it will give you immediate relief. It is not for deep cuts, of course, because doctor's advice has to be taken. So I think this is really helpful. Now coming to the DIY recipe, I have added 1/4 spoon of sandalwood powder, like it was mentioned. To this I am adding half spoon of fresh rose water. So I will just add it. I have added the sandalwood powder and rose water. To this I am adding 2-3 drops of rosemary oil. Okay, perfect. Now I'll mix it well and make a smooth paste. So I have mixed it well and our face pack is ready. Now I'm going to apply it and then I'll tell you how it works out. The texture is perfect. There's absolutely no problem, like it's not very dry, it's not very of a very liquid consistency. So I think this is going to work out really well. The best part about this recipe is that the measurements are so accurate. See, zero wastage. That is the best part, and I'll wait for it to dry up and then share the results with you. After using the face pack, I use the aloe vera gel by Indus Valley. I use it because it's 100% pure, it hydrates my skin really well, and I simply love its fragrance. It's very mild, it's very gentle on the skin, just like aloe vera gel should be. I'll show you the tub of aloe vera gel by Indus Valley. So it has a beautiful texture. And now talking about how the DIY was, my skin definitely feels very hydrated and I think it has become much more bright and glowing. So this DIY kit is 100% recommended. You must try it. It's very affordable and it has all natural ingredients, so do try it out.